Alright, these are the Dakota digital gauges for the 1970 Mustang. Let's get a closer look. Here on the right one, you can see you got the fuel and the temperature, the speedometer, RPM, oil pressure, and battery. And for colors, you pick whatever color you want. You know, I got the orange background because it's an orange car, and then I just picked the pink because it just reflects against the orange the best, I thought. But I really like the gauges. They're very nice. They're quick, they're accurate. When you hit the gas, there's no lag at all because it's all digital and there's no like manual cable going through, and it's all on the app here too. So you put the app on your phone. Use this focused here for you. You got the setup, you got the Bluetooth, always on, auto connect, disconnect. You got the speed, you adjust the speed. You got auto adjust the speed for your speedometer. This is how fast you're going. You can manually adjust it. You can change mile per hour to kilometers an hour, and there's many other features on here. You know, I don't know them all, I don't mess with them. I just put the gauges in and they work nice. You got the gauges here. If you want to adjust what you see, you got low warning. So when the voltage gets too low, it gives you a warning. Same for water, same for oil and fuel. You could do a fuel setup to adjust what kind of car it is, and it helps you, gives you an accurate fuel rating on the fuel gauge. Okay, those gauges go to lights. Lights is what you're probably buying these for. Now you got different themes. Let's see. Put like this. You know, you change the themes, it'll change on there. And you don't have to use these pre-made themes. You could use whatever themes you want. You could pick every color for everything pretty much. You know, you have down here, it says both day and night. So when you turn the headlights on, which is nice, you know, my orange ones will turn dark blue. I think it's this one here, they turn when the headlights turn on, just to make it easier on your eyes. And let's see, go back. I think I'm messing it all up now, but oh well. You got the more settings here, the level of the light, the intensity. Let's click on that. Let's see, pull this back up both at the same time. I think it's changing it back to night when I do that. But there you go, you can turn up and down, turn the little display there off. Oh, there you go, the needles. Needle goes down, needle goes up. Daytime. Alright, let's see what else there is. Not sure what the BMI is. I don't play with this app very much. We'll just leave that one alone. But you can see everything display. The information screens, turn reminder. Put it on the gauge. I don't have a factory turn reminder light, so it's on the Dakota digital gauges. When it blinks too much, it will give you a warning sign saying that your blinker is still on, blah blah blah, turn your blinker off. And then you have there's a lot of features. Let's pull it out of here. Maybe put on demo for you. There you go. Let's check out demo. I think it's just gonna flicker through everything. And it's a good time to talk about the gauges. Do show your speed in mile per hour. It does show what gear you're in if you have an automatic. It will show in numbers in digital your temperature, oil pressure, your fuel level. So you can see the percentage of fuel, not just the needle going up and down. I put the speedometer gauge on over here. It says 55. You know, I like to run that on with so I can see how fast I'm going, because my steering wheel sometimes gets in the way of seeing the needle going up and down. It does do 0 to 60, 0 to 100. I believe it does a quarter mile also on the gauges. You got the temperature. You can set up the Dakota digital gauge to read outside temperature, which would be the top right one there. I don't have mine set up to read what gear I'm in because I have a stick shift. I don't know if it will do that. I think it's only for automatics. I may be wrong about that. But there are many different combinations of colors you could do depending on whatever style you want. Your needle could be different, the background could be different, and the little screens on the bottom can be all different. Even the 55 mile per hour and the numbers under it that show what gear you're in could both be different colors. And then the screen on the right could also be different colors from the left screen. So you could do many different colors if you are into that. I like to keep mine just simple orange because the car is orange, and just the needles, whatever. No, here's a cool one, the blue. Blues are a bit easier at night, at least for me, I feel. But yeah, those are the Dakota digital gauges. If you have any questions, leave a comment. They're well worth the money. Thank you.